Hello friends, welcome to Hudson County TV. I'm Fernando Jimenez, coming to you from Town Hall in West New York. It's becoming quite a mess here in this once quiet North Hudson Township. This afternoon I attempted to speak with Commissioner Count Wiley and resident David Rivera, along with their attorney Fernando Jimenez, on the criminal charges now pending against them and being filed by Commissioner Frias. Attorney Fernando Jimenez provided some insight as to what the charges entail and what legal recourse both Commissioner Wiley and Mr. Rivera have moving forward. Retaliation appears to be the name of the game in West New York. This afternoon I spoke with Commissioner Count Wiley and West New York resident David Rivera concerning criminal charges being filed against them by Commissioner Frias. Joining them during the interview was their attorney Fernando Jimenez. Mr. Jimenez provided a detailed perspective as to what both men face regarding these criminal charges.
I'm only involved in this matter for as much as criminal defense representation is. And I will vigorously represent both Commissioner Wiley and David Rivera. I believe that the facts will speak for themselves, and we've yet to view any evidence that will sustain the charges that were filed against each of them.
Resident David Rivera made reference to an incident taking place at a public park on Boulevard East. He felt retaliation seems to be the underlying motive behind Commissioner Frias' intention to file harassment charges.
Commissioner Frias is the complainant against both of my clients, and there apparently has been a retaliatory sense against Mr. Rivera because of his involvement with Mr. Wiley. Now,
what I want to say is, I want to seek fairness. What they have done with me, again, they've been using their intimidation tactics, and I want this to stop. I want this to stop because I have a family to maintain, and I have, bills to continue to actually pay.
Commissioner Count Wiley reiterated those terms and specifically expressed frustration and disappointment with the lack of transparency and honesty in the administration, specifically with Commissioner Frias.
Happy with me and for you all. Like I said, I'm a commissioner. I should be able to communicate with a commissioner when I need to be. Either one of them, no matter who the other four are. For me to call up somebody and have a simple discussion and say, I need to speak to you, it's in your best interest, that's in our interest altogether as commissioners, as the community. Like you said, like David has said, this is something that now is being brought to the community that's going to be ridiculous that they might have to pay for. This is when you have an administration who doesn't think responsibly, doesn't really care about what the actions that they're taking place. I'm very upset as a commissioner that the incident that had happened with David, where a person gets attacked for expressing his rights as a human being in the United States of America. He has the right to back who he chooses to back, whether it was me or another candidate, and this is what I'm fighting for. This is why I'm running for mayor, because I don't want this to continue. We can't have an administration, like I said again, that doesn't care. We have a mayor who's been indicted, and he's still hanging around, keeping the black cloud over West New York. And the people are getting upset. They're communicating with me every day in the community, and I noticed that they want me to be the next mayor.
This afternoon I attempted to contact both Commissioner Frias and town spokesman Pablo Fonseca, but they were not available for comment, nor were any calls returned. I'll continue to cover this event as more details become available. For more programming, please go to Hudson County TV and their website, hudsoncountytv.com. Thank you for joining us, and stay classy, everyone.